All right, so hello once again. I did a video about how to unfriend the page that is hacked. So this is about the page that is my actual page, that new page that I have now. So for those of you who are not my friend, you can type in my name again, Latricia Bland. It is the one with me in purple. Purple. That is my actual profile. That is the new profile. It looks like this. It has the picture at the top with the little spider, as you can see. Okay. So this is the page. As you noticed, it has little to no friends on it. I got 62 friends, okay? That is the page that you want to go to. I haven't set up an ID for it yet, so right now my ID is with a bunch of numbers and letters. It will tell you that this is the new account because that page says this on it. This is my new account. I am trying to recover. That old account could not recover it. So please, that account with the urban connection address, please unfriend that one and block it. Okay? So this one here is my actual page. Okay? And then for those of you who are wanting to contact me, you need to contact me. You can contact me by 229-291-4701. And I will walk you through all these steps if necessary. The church page, again, you go and do a search. You put in ABC, the word Albany, ALBANYINC, all one word. When you enter that in, you will find a page that has the $ in front of it. This is it. All right? Church page for Antioch Baptist Church of Albany Incorporated. All right? When you click on it, you will see the church page. You will also see, you scroll up, this is the new Antioch Baptist Church page. You will see the church, and it tells you that this is the new page. If you are one of those people who can do it with the @ the @ is at Antioch fan page. And that's how you can find this page as well. Okay? Again, it has all the newest updates. Last posting that is on that page at this moment is April 5th. Okay? It still has our YouTube is still connected. It was not hacked. It's fine. So, again, ABC, Albany INC is what you're looking for the church page. If you're looking for the church group, where's the groups tab? Hold on. That's friends. Groups. You can again do a search for it. The old group, which was here, the Antioch Church Friends and Family, get out of it. That group no longer exists. The Antioch Facebook /groups AMBC1, get out of that group, okay? No longer exist. The new group is here. Antioch fan page with the $sign in front of it. Okay, $sign is in front of it. All right, and that's how you would find that one. And again, it will tell you at the top that this is the new Antioch Church page. Even though this is the group one, this is it. Okay, I don't know how other clear that I can make this. You guys share it, get people into the know about it. I can't do it because I can't get in contact with you guys because that other profile is being hacked and somebody else has control over it. It is not me. Do not respond to me on that other profile, okay? All right. So this is all that I can do for now. I hope you guys will begin to do what needs to be done. Thank you all for listening and have a wonderful day. Bye.